gonna keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. I'm in my head again. I was raised like that, so I guess I never really changed like that.
Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today's an exciting video. I don't know why I haven't thought about this sooner, and I haven't seen it done anywhere else. Don't see many people doing it. But I started using this little tip, technique, trick, whatever you want to call it, hack, to start holding my brushes a certain way. Thanks to my friend in high school, because she used to hold her pencil this way. And I figured, why not try it with makeup brushes? And y'all would not believe how much more control I have over these brushes. And I'm really excited to share them with you. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Let's read the first comment from my last video. The full spoilers for the December Ipsy Ultimate Box. And sorry about the dryer in the back, y'all. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Pauline. It is so good to hear from you, honey, and I'm so glad that you're here watching my videos. Thank you, Pauline. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of two chances to get it. You could either set your bound and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so again, this ain't going to be a very long video at all. I'm just going to show y'all how I've been holding these brushes and just tell y'all about my excitement. I just couldn't wait to share this with y'all. I've been holding my brushes like this for about a week now. The control is just so much better. Now, I know on certain things, like when you're doing your transition and stuff on your eyeshadow, you know, if you want those fluffed out a little bit more, you are in complete control of the brush. And usually they tell you not to bear down too hard on your makeup brushes. Just use the end of the bristles for the brushing. And it's easier to do that. And it's easier to control what your makeup is doing. And it's just so exciting, y'all. Because I haven't seen anybody else doing it like this. But again, my friend used to hold her pencils like this in high school. And, you know, the other day I was thinking it was something or another I was doing. I can't remember what I was doing, y'all. I can't remember from day to day what I'm doing. But I was starting to think about how she used to hold that pencil, and I was like, well, why don't I try doing the makeup brushes like this? I've been really enjoying doing my makeup a lot better. It's a lot more easier for me to control the look and the outcome and how much I'm applying and everything. And it's just so much better, y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all. And y'all do this with face brushes and eye brushes. Right now, I took two random brushes. One's an eye brush, one is a face brush. This is the secret, y'all. In between your index finger and your middle finger, you hold it like that. Yeah, she used to write like that, and she just had the most beautiful handwriting. So holding your makeup brushes like that's going to give you the most beautiful look. It just gives you so much more control. You can point it straight if you want. And if you want to use the side of the brush, you can do that. But your makeup's going to lay right where you put it. And it's also easier to control, so you're not bearing down. You know, when you're doing it like this, and it's just a natural thing to just want to bear down on the makeup. And really the makeup is sitting on the very top bristles. So it's also easier to control that where you're just using the tip of the bristles. So I love this trick, y'all, and I just couldn't wait to share it with y'all. Now, eye brushes, that's the exciting trick because, you know, that's real fun. It makes eyeshadow a lot more fun now. But again, you just want to use the tip of the bristle. And do you see that? Like, you can control where it's touching and everything, y'all. Matter of fact, let me blend that out because, you know, if you want a more controlled look, like if you're wanting a better wing or whatever, and you know what? Holding your eyeliner. Damn it, I ain't got no eyeliner. Hold on. Matter of fact, y'all can hold everything like that. The eyeliner. It's going to be a lot more easier to control and make your wing sharper. Lip brush, it's so much easier, y'all. Everything, just hold your brushes, hold your pencils, your liners, whatever. Hold them all like that, and you're going to have more control over your tools, and your makeup's going to go right where it's supposed to. But again, guys, that's it. I know it was a short little video, but I couldn't wait to share this with y'all. Give this a try and let me know what you think down in the comments, because it has worked so much better for me. I just love it, and I couldn't wait to share it again, y'all. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from the last video. Well, congratulations, Iris. And thank you so much, honey. That is such a sweet comment. I really appreciate it. And you know what? I just love doing videos for y'all. And Iris, I want to tell you, thank you. And Iris, I appreciate you spending time with me today, honey. I love you so much. Remember, guys, you've got to leave that comment if you want to give a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life, is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video. But you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys hit all this video.
Damn YouTube.
If you would make sure that little notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch every one of my videos. I also do a lot of spoilers. Damn sure don't want to miss none of them. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.